Hey y'all, this is BDH 92. Yay! I'm here! Yay! Yay! Okay, so, as you guys can kind of tell by what's behind me and by the sounds of chickens, not shut up, chickens. We're gonna make ourselves a chicken thing. So, basically what this chicken thing is, those were, I don't want to talk about those are just a bunch of fails to come. Basically, I was attempting to see what the best idea is to make this, and I found out what I thought was the best idea, and now I just threw my redstone on the ground, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It doesn't take that much redstone, as you guys can tell. Not very much. I think it takes 6 pieces. It takes 2 repeaters, 1 compactor, it takes a few hoppers, and yeah, I will show you guys how to do it. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is basically the brains, how the redstone stuff goes. So you need a repeater here and there, okay? And then you need a compactor there, put it onto the track mode, okay? And then, wait a second, there we go, redstone there, redstone there, redstone there, 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 there. Oh shoot. I got my script. Shoot. That messes everything up. Okay. Just do what I basically did, but instead of being there, put it here. I want my dispenser there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that's correct. So that's the brains of the system. So that's all you need for redstone. And then behind here is Mr. Dispenser sits there. Good job, Mr. Dispenser. Mr. Hopper, a hopper sits there. On top of the hopper is a slab, and then Mr. Chest sits here. Okay. That's that. That's mostly tough parts, and just like breaking blocks. So that's all covered like that, and this guy is covered like that. Okay, so that's that one. Okay, so we move up here, and I need some glass. Where's my glass? There's my glass. Okay, so I got my glass. You don't need any more redstone. You can replace that. You're going to need a lava bucket for this. You're going to need some eggs because you're making a KFC thing. What I call KFC. Yum, 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 yum. KFC. So, basically, and open that chest. I want a piece of glass there. Back up in the air. Gotta go a piece of glass there. Give me some more building blocks. This thing takes 64 building blocks. So it doesn't take that much in building blocks. I use brick because I like the way the brick look, and after my fail attempts, I found out that wood is very conductive with lava. Wood and lava don't get along very well. Well, they do, but they. So I want to do that. Ta-da! Okay. Okay, sorry for, I'm just trying to make sure I did this correctly. Yep, okay. So now, hoppers again. You want some hoppers. You want a hopper there. You want a hopper there. And you want a hopper there. That's where we want our hoppers. Now we have time for a lava bucket. Lava bucket sits there. Piece of glass there. Okay, more building blocks. More building blocks. Piece of glass. Over the lava. Yep. And then we go here. Now you can extend that out if you want. So this thing can be built in a 3 by 6 by 5. This is going to be 5 high. So this thing can fit in a fairly small area. So, this is carpet, and more carpet, because we need chickens to stay somewhere, because we don't want chickens on top of carpets, because that's no fun. Could just be a few chickens in here. No luck. There's a chicken there. It's normally best to wait until afterwards, but so you don't get fun chickens, but whatever. We have a chicken in there. Okay. Great. Okay. So okay. Give me that block. I want that block now. Okay. And I'm gonna finish this up. And this layer, and the thing is, you can make this as tall or as small as you want. Well, you can't make it any smaller than this, but any bit taller. This is only 5 high, you can make it 8 high, you can make it as high as you want. And if you want to make it wider so you can put more chickens and stuff in, that's totally fine. And I'm hurting the chicken. Okay, so we have a few chickens in there. So whatever. Few chickens. Okay. Now I'll explain to you guys, after I made this beautiful thing, how this thing works. So basically what happens, chickens up there, they lay eggs. When they get big enough, they'll lay an egg. Chicken lays egg. Egg goes into, egg falls and goes into this dispenser. It goes into Mr. Dispenser, so we'll put egg in dispenser. That turns everything on. Yep, everything's working. And then dispenser should be shooting out eggs. Dispenser's not shooting out eggs. Okay, dispenser not shooting out eggs. Well, it should be shooting out eggs. I might have goofed somewhere. I got this to the backwards. Oh god, I think I might have this. Oh, I think I might have my repeat. Get out there. Oh. How it should work normally. I might have mistaken, I might have my repeater backwards. Whatever. Eggs go in the dispenser, things start shooting out eggs start shooting out. Oh, this isn't a creative, never mind. Eggs start shooting out there. Okay. So then when the chickens in here get big and stuff, they get big and they get cooked by lava, and then they end up getting fried, and ta-da, we'll have KFC in here. Well, not KFC, but fried chicken and some feathers. So then people who want KFC, who want some chickens and stuff, can have themselves some cooked chicken. Yum 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 yum. So I will be, if you guys want me to do some other fun redstone contraptions, some smaller little projects, I'll be more than happy to do them. Please feel free to leave a comment or a like or anything on this video, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys out with any other redstone contraptions. I'm really good with redstone, so I'll see you guys in the next video.